Hi everyone, it's the 24th of March. Now we have I'm going to show you this one. I think this purple bottom band has been on ES. Yeah, two touches here and two touches there. That is what's driving it higher. We didn't touch the golden bottom band. This golden bottom band was not tested, as you may remember. And last week we had the OPEX, the options expiry, contracts expiry, of course. Then it rallied, cleared this blue resistance. You can see the internal. So this blue one is in itself a bull flag. The real bull flag was the green one that I showed on the futures to the futures members. It left a gap, a really big gap overnight, and we haven't filled the gap. And any gap fill some here, which is going to be around 57, 22, 23, 22, I think. If we fill it, then it will rally further. And it is now also forcing this red resistance, that broken support is being forced to break. Is it going to be able to break? That remains to be seen. I don't think I think we will first fill the gap even. So I'm going to now show you. We may be hitting a major resistance right now as I'm recording this video. Yeah, so let me put this in black color so you can see the differentiation. Right, this black top band just got tested. So we pull back, fill the gap, and then get to the black top band. And maybe this could also, this is the thing, we may not be out of the woods yet. I mean, it could come down, break back into the green, come back to the black bottom band, and sell off to new lows. This is going to be very, very important here. So maybe it will completely ignore and keep on pushing. But I suggest that we will fill the gap today, 57.22, and then get back to the black top band. And of course, the black top band needs to be broken as soon as possible to invalidate that bear flag. The black bear flag is the green one here on the SPX cash, which has much more upside. So it's different charts because, yes, obviously, fill the, sorry, mm, the contract rolled over, then we broke out, but SPX, of course, didn't do it very, very quickly, but it also left a gap. And this resistance zone here is broken, which is extremely, extremely important. This zone is broken now. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, how many touches every time it was sold. Now that is broken. We may get a back gap fill and then rally. And not only that, this black diagonal resistance is also cleared, which is of course very, very nice to see. Now the red broken supports back test together with the green. I think there is also a chance for ES not to reverse there, the one that I showed on the black top band, and SPX pushes on all the way to the green top band together with the black. The SPX level for that would be 57.85. Dow Jones is inside the red uptrend. I mean, the red bottom band hasn't been tested properly on the cash, yes, but more importantly, this blue broken bull flag, this was a failure, remember? It was broken down, this support was broken, so I can remove actually to make it clear. This was the beautiful bull flag, which was broken to the downside, but now it's broken back up. So that also means a lot. Dow Jones Cash was much more precise on the red bottom band. This is the low of October 23, 2-3 touches on the top, internal resistance, black red bottom band, perfect bounce. It has broken now also the blue resistance. It left a gap. So my question now, the question now is whether that golden top band is going to hold. And if it does, we pull back, maybe, fill the gap right here. And the gap fill is going to be 42,000, comes down, and then breaks out of the golden. So this golden top band is very, very important. Okay. So if it touches that gold, I mean, if it is touching, we will pull back, and then a break to the upside would be a bull flag. This is a bull flag from the previous all-time highs right there. So we'll see. Okay. And I will do the same thing also for the uptrend or the potential bear flag, which is the black top band. Okay, so that is also higher. Nasdaq futures was the best. That was the best chart for the bullish case. The golden bottom band was tested, one, two, and this was the second touch last week. And now the golden, you can see the golden bear flag. This bear flag is broken to the upside. Beautiful invalidation of that bear flag. And we may get a gap fill. And from there, the gap fill on the futures data is 19,975, 19,980. Gap fill and then rally. And if we want to also again put maybe a bear flag potential, that one is broken. So that bear flag is gone, the potential bear flag. Nasdaq cash, also the same, the golden channel, perfect bounce off it. Then this red bull flag was broken. At the close of Friday, it was already broken. I can remove that from the picture. Now we also had, you can remember the green resistance, right? I'm going to put it on the 2-hourly. Yeah, that green resistance, first, second, third, broken, back test, back test. Now the black resistance is gone. That diagonal resistance was important. That is also broken. And clearly the purple top band needs breaking. Yeah, this is the very low. Rally came back, a higher low, a higher high. Now, if that purple top band breaks too, then Nasdaq, this is Nasdaq CFD, has to be going all the way to that red broken support. Obviously, that is not very precise anyway. But yeah, bulls are back in charge. This week is going to be green, in my opinion. Russell, this was the gap that opened, and you can see beautiful backtest on Friday. Sorry, not Friday, gap fill on Friday, and then it rallied. It left a gap last night, so we may fill that gap and then keep on rallying. And clearly the big test, I think that is going to be our target, the blue top band together with the green. If it gets there, I think we're going to see a reversal, maybe come down once again, at least a pullback. Okay, not too big a sell-off, but a pullback. FTSE obviously is still looking good because it's inside the golden uptrend, and I still believe we're going to go beyond 9,000 as long as this support zone is holding. And DAX this is a double deck. This was the first bull flag, was broken, the blue bottom band held, left a gap here. So I think we're going to fill the gap. This is from last night. We're going to fill the gap at 22,895. Okay, and that's also cash CFD. That blue top band's break is gonna take us back to the previous all-time highs. The previous all-time high was a resistance. Okay, first, second. The minimum target is going to be that purple line, which may turn into another pullback and then a break to the upside. Either way, I think we are inside this golden uptrend. The internal was tested, the bottom band wasn't tested, but I think that is our guidance. And a bit more longer term look is this red uptrend, of course. This is perfection. 1, 2, 1, 2. I think we're going to test it eventually. That red top band will be tested at 23,750, 23,800. The French index also left a gap, but it's trying to fill that gap now. The black channel is intact. Okay, the uptrend. This green resistance has to be cleared, and if it does, there is so much more upside for the French index. TLT is still inside the green downtrend. This needs breaking. Still, it hasn't been broken. The red channel was broken. The bottom band was 85. That's where I was saying, yeah, it's time to buy. It got to 92, 93. And I think if it can break that green top band, that will be it. So that then we're going to get to 110. The 10-year Treasury note had bounced off the golden, but so far it hasn't really broken the. I'm going to put it on the 4-hourly, right? This purple resistance is still holding 1, 2, 3, 4. And as long as this golden bottom band holds, there is still a chance for it to smash that purple resistance and get to 113. Oil is ready for a major break. Look at this. Now, this is now the purple support held, right? That purple support held. Then the green downtrend is broken, and the golden bear flag is being forced to break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches on that golden top band. I think oil is trying to push. And if it breaks the red broken supports, I mean, the backtest will hold probably. But then after that, anything above 69.50 is a buy signal. Brent oil is the same. The red downtrend was broken anyway. The golden support held. 1, 2, 3 perfect touches. The red downtrend is broken. The green bear flag is being forced. The blue one may hold for maybe another small pullback, but then I think there is also, like, oil is trying to move higher, in my opinion. Gold has broken out of the small green bull flag. But I'm going to remove it because this purple resistance is the one to watch. 3 touches on it. Okay, this is the previous high above 3,050. Now, is it going to come down to the red and then rally again? That would be awesome. That red bottom band on the spot chart is just under 3,000. Gold continuous futures is testing the golden support. You can see that golden channel was broken to the upside and back tested. So is it going to rally before coming down to the red? I'm not sure. Of course, I'm not sure, but that remains to be seen. This red bull flag is broken. Yeah, this one, the small one. And we're going to see whether this line becomes a resistance just like on the spot chart. Silver is looking good because it is out of this golden short-term bull flag. This is nice. And obviously the purple, you can see that, remember the purple bull flag, then the baby bull flag. This is why we bought it. I already closed half of the long, but I think eventually we're going to get to 35 and maybe push against this red top band and break it. And that would be awesome. Silver continuous futures. Okay, this is this resistance zone that was broken, and we came for a back test last week on Friday. Now it is out of the golden downtrend, and it remains to be seen. This green resistance needs breaking, of course. And platinum hasn't done anything yet. This is the only one. The red top band's break would be the only one. And platinum continuous futures. This is what I have, you know. I was skeptical about platinum. The reason is the purple and green resistance zone. And if it basically, look, right there, this support has been forced to break. Maybe it wasn't even a support in the first place. But yeah, it's not looking very bullish, is it? So the only way to rally would be 1,050. 1,050, yes, that's where. Natural gas had broken down the purple bear flag. It bounced off the red bottom band. You can see this is, again, the purple top band resistance. I marked it so many times. I thought maybe it will break, but it will break. It broke it to the downside. 1, 2, 3. The gap, sorry, the back test was a little bit too much into it. Maybe there was some news, I don't know. But the red bottom band is ready to be broken, and that will change things abruptly. Very, very quickly, I think, because this blue uptrend from the lows of last year, September, this blue channel, if that blue support breaks, then there's going to be much more downside. I think that gas may be coming down. There is also the golden channel, 2 touches or 3 touches on the bottom, 3 touches on the top. This was the reversal. If the red breaks, then the blue, then yes, there's going to be a big sell-off. And on the April contract, it's also the same, the golden channel. Yeah, this purple top band was kind of broken. I'm going to remove that. I think the golden channel is the one to watch. The red bull flag, remember, broken and back tested. That's where we went to. Then the black channel was broken, but the green bear flag is broken down and got back tested. Now the golden supports break. It may even take out the blue support and sell off to the purple bottom band. This year is extremely important. Copper is making a gigantic breakout. Look at this, it's doing it. 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth touch. 1, 2. Okay. This here is a giant breakout, and I think if it goes beyond 523, that's it really. And on the May contract, of course, this is also pushing inside the golden uptrend. Very strong copper here. And palladium is off the purple plus green double support. So this needs to get to that green top band, or the green bear flag will break, and we will see more downside. Fingers crossed. I'm thinking this is going to be a nice run, but of course the real bull move can only start if this green top band can be taken out. That ascending resistance needs breaking. Euro is approaching the purple bottom band, so if it gets to this level and then rally, pound sterling, red uptrend is perfect, and the red bottom band hasn't been tested yet. If it does get tested, then we rally back to 133. You can see the blue resistance was broken, golden downtrend was broken, everything was pointing to more upside. US dollar Japanese yen is actually looking bullish. And the reason is the golden channel that is slowly breaking down. And we don't have a bear flag. The red one hasn't been confirmed at the bottom band just yet. So I'm thinking maybe we're going to see a bit more upside. It could also be that we are going to see the proper backtest on that blue broken support, which is going to be around 152.50 or just under it. And then from there, maybe we sell off once again. DXY is inside the black downtrend, and you can see the black internal resistance is holding. For more waterfall kind of sell-off, it has to break the black bottom band. Aussie dollar, right, you can see it is forming this green bull flag, and the internal support just held. It's basically getting back to that green top band, I think. And ultimately, it has to break out of the green, like 2 touches here, 2 touches very close to each other. I would love to see it coming down to the green bottom band and then rally, but I'm not sure. Kiwi came back all the way to where this spike has started, filled the gap. I closed my short there. Now, is it going to revisit it if the red top band holds? And if it does, it may revisit that level too. But this support was spectacular, isn't it? So I closed the short. I'm not going long just yet. I think for the long, it has to break this purple resistance for good. That will be the only way. And US dollar CAD is getting inside. I mean, it is still inside this triangle. If it breaks this blue support rail, then we sell off to 140, 139. Agricultural's coffee is now making a move on that blue resistance rail. It is inside the green bear flag, and remember, it had broken down the golden bottom band, but after filling this gap, 375, it is now very strongly pushing inside the green. So if it goes beyond the green top band, okay, and it is clearing the blue, I think there's going to be a big upside for coffee. One, two, three touches on the bottom, three touches on the top. Anything above 403, 404, that is going to open the way for 450. And coffee May contract, I'm plotting the golden channel like this, and you can see it has been pushing, and it is forcing the purple resistance right there. This is the bear flag, broken. This is now fourth push. I think coffee wants to run. And if it goes beyond the green and the blue resistance, then yes. And the blue line or the resistance rail is around 407 or something. So maybe we get there, pull back a little bit, right? Without breaking the green bottom band, it has to completely smash through that. But I think there is a good chance it will. That's why I'm a little bit disappointed with myself because I didn't buy this 375 gap fill. Wheat, the red downtrend is still on, right? This is the fakie. It's still coming down. And you can see on the May contract, it just cleared the red bottom band. This is a bear flag that is breaking down, which is why I think we're going to see 525 once again, and maybe all the way to the blue bottom band right again, right there, just over 500. Soybeans is looking bearish too. You remember this support was broken, the blue one. We are still over or above that, sorry, under that purple resistance. And I think there's going to be more downside coming. And especially looking at the May contract, that purple support needs breaking. And I think we will break. As considering the golden overhead resistance rail, we're going to see the break of that, and around 1,000, we would break that purple support. You can see the blue supports break was bearish anyway, okay, and the major support break was at 1,045, which is where we shorted it, and corn is ready to break the. So it initially reversed at the green top band. That was 500, perfect reversal. Blue downtrend, blue bear flag was broken. The red bear flag is now ready to be broken too, which may take us all the way to the previous lows of 370, 365. That's the big move coming, I think. And you can see the blue supports break on the May contract would be also very bearish. And cocoa, I'm not sure. It's hard to read at the moment. It may be breaking this blue top band. But yeah, and on the May contract, I think this is much more, this support was broken, but it was fakey. I can remove that. What I'm trying to say is that if it touches the red top band, I think it's going to come down to that golden bottom band. And from there, we see another big rally starting. That would be a nice level to buy into it. And sugar still on the continuous chart, it hasn't tested that red resistance. We had a major push off the red bottom band, purple support, blue support, really pushed on. But at the moment, is it forming a small bull flag right here? I think it is. Yes, beautiful bull flag right here. Right, isn't it? This is a really gorgeous bull flag, the red one, this little red one. So I'm thinking if it breaks the red top band, we will see a rally to 21. And cotton still bearish inside the purple downtrend. Big moves on coin space. The green support was holding, and the golden bull flag was broken, and now the blue resistance is broken. 1, 2, 3. This is now a really big push coming. And the purple resistance is our target, which is at 94,700, maybe 95. Ethereum is also looking slightly positive. It is pushing against this red resistance again. But of course, the green top band needs breaking. That is the only way. ACH slightly positive, of course, because of the break of that black resistance. Ultimate target is the red, and then maybe break it. Solana is off the green bottom band right there. The initial support was broken. Now that is broken out. So Solana is up 5-6%. So, and of course, the golden resistance break. I mean, ideally, this goes all the way to the green top band. We'll see. Zcash has to break the purple top band. Litecoin is slightly up. The purple top band needs breaking. Anything above 150 would be a major buy signal. Monero is up, but it hasn't really made a move to that black resistance. Songbird, slightly positive, of course, but it still has to break that golden downtrend. Polkadot is good because the red bottom band, this is what I showed last week. That red support is the one to watch, and this is beautiful breakout. And not only that, the blue downtrend is also broken, right? And the purple resistance is the next hurdle, which is at 515. Coty is slightly up after testing the purple bottom band. It has to break it is breaking the green resistance. It still has to break the golden and then run to the red top band and break it. TIA, purple downtrend, broken, back tested. Green and blue resistance duo has to be broken. And we have this red downtrend that needs breaking as well. And Binance Coin slightly up, not much to say other than the blue. I mean, it has a really big hurdle to go through. I don't think it is going to be possible. TrueCoin is the green, off the green. It's out of the purple downtrend now. Maybe we'll see a rally to that golden top band, bottom band, that broken. SKL is off the green support. It needs to break this golden resistance. We are not there yet. Slightly positive. Aero still targeting the black bottom band. AVAX is big, 10%. And as I've been saying, this is one of the best looking charts because of the purple bottom band touch, the green bottom band touch, and now the green top band may be cleared, which should take us all the way to the purple. And then, of course, that red top band needs breaking too. Dogecoin is back, like it is already above that red support, right? Now, the purple wedge needs breaking to the upside. If it can, yes. Chainlink, purple downtrend. The red uptrend is, or the red support is holding. The purple bull flag needs breaking to the upside. And we'll see. NIA, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It should break this purple top band and run. NIA is looking slightly positive now, of course. And Unicoin has cleared the red resistance. This is extremely important. It is inside the purple bull flag. It has cleared the red, which is why I think we're going to see more upside from here all the way to the purple top band. And eventually, maybe that we will break it. And of course, this golden support, together with the blue, together with the purple, that was a triple support. And Chili's is now out. This is very, very positive. Chili's is out of the red downtrend. Very good. Aave cleared the red resistance. It's off the purple and golden supports. That needs to, it needs to go beyond the blue and green, double resistance, get to the purple top band and break it. And Onyx, not much to say. Ripple, XRP, still above that blue support, which is extremely positive. And clearly that blue top band needs breaking, or that's the target at least. ADA has to break the golden top band, right? ADA has to break the golden top band. This is looking positive here. CAS is trying to make its way back into the green broken support. I'm not sure. I don't have a very good reading for this. I thought maybe the blue support will be tested. And Tau is looking slightly positive like all the others, but there is no real push. Sandbox off the black support. It has to break the purple downtrend to run big time. Mana, right? That mana has to break the purple top band. We're not there yet. Maybe we'll see the red bottom band and then rally. Shiba has to break the green and purple. Now Dash is making a move. You can see the black top band held now. Okay, so the black channel is actually perfect. 2 touches on both sides. So it needs to break the purple resistance. Anything above 26 is going to look very, very positive for Dash. Okay, and this green support is broken by OM. That's a major support, but it just back tested the red broken bull flag. So it may really push and reclaim that green broken support really. And GRT is off the black. This is also, again, one of the best charts here. Black bottom band, golden support, red support. We need to break that red top band, and this could well happen, really. RSR, blue resistance is gone. Purple, if it wants to run that black support, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, it needs to push on. And CKB is a very critical one here. You can see how the lines play their role here. The blue wedge was broken to the downside, right? It was broken to the downside, back tested 3 times. Okay, the wedge. The golden bear flag was broken. It is getting back tested. So, and the green support that was broken. So this area is holding as like a confluence of 3 major resistance. Okay, so are we going to move on? And that's 65 after the decimal. If it moves on, then yes, that is going to be, again, a very strong push. And MDT off the purple, and it needs to break the golden top band. Is it going to be able to do it? I don't know. We'll see. PAL is looking positive. It didn't get all the way to the green bottom band, but it tested this spike down once again. So maybe this is going to run to the green top band. Ton coin is looking a bit more positive because it's trying to break back into the failed bull flag. IOTA has to break the blue channel. This blue downtrend needs breaking. That's not happening just yet. And audio is dead. It's not doing much. While all the others are green, I'm disappointed with audio. Of course, it may run all of a sudden and break the golden top band. But we'll see. And EOS has to break the green. Beautiful downtrend. That is a really big, nicely formed channel from the highs of November, December. FET, purple bottom band. It has to break the blue top band and run to the green broken support at least. And FTM, Phantom, is the best looking because of the red. And you can see it is still looking good, and it may also just broken this purple resistance. So this is looking good as well. And Hedera, maybe it wants to push to the blue top band. Sui, looking slightly positive again because the blue support or resistance is holding, but if it can break the green and blue, anything above 2.6 is going to look very, very positive. The golden internal support is holding here. And Theta, one of the best again, the red, blue, and green triple support. It has to get to the green top band and break it and get to the blue top band here. And Algo is off the golden support. That the logical way, the normal way would be get to the golden top band and finally smash it. That will be the only way for a rally. And Pepe is okay. Not much to say other than that. Jasmine, maybe it wants to test the red and then a big rally. We don't know yet. And Gala is off the golden support, and you can see the red top band needs breaking. So that's it, guys. Hope it helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.